In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Suno AI songs on Spotify. Since you can't upload directly from Suno AI to Spotify, the key is to use a music distributor. A distributor is the bridge that delivers your track and artwork to Spotify and other platforms, handles your metadata, and helps keep releases organized. Popular options include DistroKid, TuneCore, CD Baby, and Lander distribution. They differ in pricing and features, but the overall process is similar across all of them. Start by downloading your finished track from your Suno library. Open the song you want to release, click the three dots, and select Download. Save an MP3 if you're just previewing, but for the actual release, grab the WAV version for best quality. If you designed cover art in Suno or elsewhere, save that too. Keep everything in a clearly labeled folder so it's easy to find during upload. Before you upload, do a quick quality check. Listen end to end for any glitches, awkward fades, or clipping. Finalize your song title and make sure you're not using any copyrighted samples without permission. If samples or stems aren't yours, either clear them or remove them. Distributors will ask, and stores can take music down if rights aren't in order. Using a WAV file here preserves full fidelity for encoding on each platform. Next, choose your distributor and create an account. Sign up with the one that fits your needs. Some charge per release, others charge annually for unlimited uploads. Once you're in the dashboard, upload your audio file and your cover art. Enter your song title, artist name, and genre, and set a release date that gives you enough time for approval. Then select your stores. Make sure Spotify is checked, and add Apple Music, YouTube Music, and any others you want. You'll be asked to confirm rights and ownership. Be honest about whether AI was used and whether any copyrighted material appears in your track or artwork. Only upload music and visuals you have the rights to use. When everything looks good, submit the release. You might see buttons labeled Submit, Release, or Distribute. They all mean go. Processing typically takes 1 to 7 days, sometimes longer, so plan accordingly. After your release goes live, claim your profile on Spotify for artists. This lets you customize your artist page, upload an image, track your streams and audience data, and pitch songs to playlists. Keep your profile consistent with your cover art and genre so listeners can recognize you quickly. That's the full path from Suno to Spotify. Download, prepare, distribute, submit, and then manage your presence like a pro.